Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the easy steps to activate your U.S. bank card so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new U.S. bank card along with any accompanying documents. Have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official U.S. Bank activation website at usbank.com/activate or log into your U.S. Bank online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number and other requested information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details and personal information. You may also be asked to set up a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message either online or during the phone call. Your U.S. bank card is now ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Step 5. Set up online and mobile access. For easier management of your card, set up your U.S. Bank online account and mobile banking app. This allows you to monitor transactions, pay bills, and manage rewards or finances efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.